Hello, welcome to another lesson on const keyword in JavaScript when it comes to working with objects and array. In the last lesson, I was able to show us how you can define an array and how you can change the elements, which means the items that make up the array, the items can be changed. It is supported if you are using a const keyword for your array declaration, even though you will not be able to reassign it. And what that means is that the way we have, I will clear this, I'll comment it out rather. And then the way we have this, if I try to do something like this again, you can see that even before I pull up the square bracket for my array, it's already giving me an error, a red squiggly like that. It's saying that cannot declare beyond scope variable, which means that I cannot redeclare it once that's been declared, which means I cannot reassign that same value to another array, but I can change the element. And the second one says that I can also change the property of a const object. So let's say I want to add another car to this. I can use a property when working with array, use car dot push, and then I'm going to now add another car. Let's say Audi. Now, I'll then uncomment my console.log, and let's take a look. Now, if you look at it, initially I have 3 elements in my array, but now I'm getting 4 elements because the push method is a way to work with array. I've used it to add another element. So if I have multiple elements that I want to add, I can do it inside the same what other brand of car? I don't know. I'm not really fast with a car brand. But then let me say something like Ayanda. Yeah, I want to add another brand. And then if you take a look at it, you will see that in my console, I am now having 5 brands of cars because I am adding new items at the end of my array using the cars.push, a method to add items to your array. So this is the 2 ways by which you can, work with elements of a const keyword when you use it to declare variable in your JavaScript application. So in the next lesson, I'll see you as we continue to look at more things that we can do with JavaScript and how we can really understand when to use each of these concepts in order to be able to achieve whatever our goal is when building an application or when we are learning about JavaScript. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson.